How to play Cities: Skylines 2 on Xbox updated 2025. Most people get this wrong, but playing Cities: Skylines 2 on Xbox is smoother than you think. You won't believe how intuitive city building can be with a controller in 2025. First, make sure your Xbox is updated, and that Cities: Skylines 2 is installed with the latest patch. The update ensures improved performance and controller optimization. Once you launch the game, familiarize yourself with the controller layout. The left stick moves the camera, right stick rotates and zooms, while buttons like a BX and Y handle construction, menus, and cancelling actions. The D-pad is used for quick shortcuts to roads, zoning, and utilities. Most people overlook these shortcuts, but they save tons of time. Start by creating a small city layout. Use the zoning tool to designate residential, commercial, and industrial areas. Place roads efficiently. Curved and angled roads reduce traffic congestion. Remember, utilities like water, electricity, and sewage must be connected to every district. Managing budgets is key. Keep an eye on income from taxes and adjust spending on services like police, fire, and healthcare to balance growth and citizen happiness. The surprising truth is that ignoring citizen needs leads to sudden disasters like fires, blackouts, or traffic collapse. Don't forget to explore the new 2025 features: enhanced disaster management, dynamic weather, and improved eye traffic. They make your city feel alive, but also require careful planning. In conclusion, playing Cities: Skylines 2 on Xbox involves learning the controller, zoning effectively, managing budgets, and utilizing the latest features. Follow these steps, and you'll have a thriving metropolis on your console in no time.